Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable USB ports on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and select Run. Type in devmgmt.msc. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen, so devmgmt.msc, and select OK. And now you want to expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, so double click on it. If you want to disable any of these items, you just would right click on it and select Disable, and then select Yes. And you'll see a little red symbol over the device. If you want to re-enable that, you can just right click on it and select Enable. And that's all you have to do. Just might have to give it a moment to refresh here. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.